Hi Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Welcome po sa ating channel at ito ay yung Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for August 31, 2023. Please be reminded that this is general reading po, so maaari kayong makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for September 1, 2023. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button para updated po kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guys, ano pang message nyo? Ano pang energy ni Earth Signs today, August 31? Stagnant ang araw mo ngayon? Nagkaroon ka ng unsuccessful project? You are feeling defeated or lost? Naging nega? At nagkaroon ka ng confusion? You have lack of confidence today around your specific goal, or lack of focus, or loss of direction. May nangyaring may away kasi hindi successful yung plano or hindi makamove on. The advice is you need to create a concrete plan in order to regain momentum. Impulse control ay kailangan in order to grow and take action in a positive direction. Nagkaroon ng exaggeration, or ilan sa inyo nagkaroon ng you are finding a solution sa iyong problema. This is a reverse card. May taong maraming masasakit na sinasabi sa iyo, may away na magaganap. So this is the confirmation of your reverse card, the Chariot. Hanggat maaga, iwasan mo na itong taong ito, or kung may chances, lalo na sa nasa tama ka, kailangan mong ipagtanggol ang iyong sarili laban sa maling paratang ng taong ito. Do a legal move kung kinakailangan. Ano po ang advice para kay Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn ngayong araw na ito, August 31? Spirit guides, speak out, communicate, and solve the conflicts. So, the advice is kausapin mo itong tao ng ito ng mahinahon para hindi mas lalong magkaroon ng problema. Do not be frustrated. Let go and feel peaceful. So that is the advice for you. Let's see your career and money. Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn ngayong August 31, 2023. Nagkaroon ng refusal to change sa past. You are in a bad mood today. You are taking opportunity. Grab mo agad ang iyong mga opportunity na hindi pinag-iisipan. Some of you, bored ka ngayon sa trabaho o dismayado ka sa current position mo ngayon. This card tells you na kailangan labanan mo ang nararamdaman mo ngayon. Alalahanin mo yung inspirasyon mo sa buhay para ma-motivate ka. Nagkaroon ng hope and healing sa buhay, karera at kaperahan. Star brings money luck. This card may also indicate that you are healing from money or job loss. Para sa mga negosyante, you may be guided to begin a new business, or you have a hidden talent you can put to good use. What is the message for love and romance para kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn ngayong August 31? So, nagkaroon kayo ng clarity and new ideas sa buhay pag-ibig. Para sa mga single, huwag kang mag-alinlangan na mag-invest sa bagong relasyon opportunity. Para sa mga may karelasyon, sa araw na ito, nagkaroon kayo ng masinsinang pag-uusap ng kapareha mo. This card asks you to improve your communication also. Some of you, nagkaroon ng karmic relationship. What is the love advice for Earth Signs ngayong August 31, 2023? Sexual union. Honor the place in one another where you are one eternal soul, for there you will find true bliss. What is the advice po para kay Earth signs. Don't let pride get in your way. What is the angels, archangels, spirit guides advice para po kay Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Message from Archangel Raquiel. Enter higher planetary surface, be a blazing light. That is your reading today, Air Signs. Po kayo dito bukas para sa September 1 reading natin. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.